Hello and welcome dear parents and my dear loving children. Greetings from St. Stephen's School, Birati. Well, dear parents, I have come in front of you to make an important announcement that we are going to launch a very unique and important program by the name Learn and Earn. And under this flagship Learn and Earn program, we are going to introduce series of projects, namely gardening, grow a fish, laser engraving, 3D printing, DIY, and many more. Now, dear parents, there is a reason for introducing such projects. These are all going to be very unique. The reason behind introducing this project is to make our children self reliant, self aware, and nature lover. All these projects are going to take place and for which we are going to conduct workshop, and I request all the guardians to enthusiastically and with high spirit participate these workshop, because if you participate enthusiastically, your wards will also equally show interest, and we can enable and empower them in learning many new things and earning at the same time. So I request once again all the parents to eagerly participate these workshops, which we are going to publish very shortly, and encourage your wards, motivate your wards to equally participate in these kind of projects, which will definitely enable them to learn and earn. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and stay tuned. This is Shumita Paul signing off.